Dear all, in this video we see the factors that affect the degradation of lignin. First is added glucose. Lignin degradation slows down with the addition of the glucose, as an excess of readily available energy source like glucose causes decreased consumption of lignin. When all available energy sources are omitted, the microbial action on lignin-rich compounds increases. Second is aeration. The rate of lignin degradation and carbohydrate metabolism increases with increase in oxygen content in the environment. Besides this, efficient lignin degradation is also seen under a CO2 concentration of 30% and an oxygen concentration of 10%. However, a pure oxygen atmosphere might be toxic if any other form of energy like glucose or cellulose is present, as it suppresses lignin degradation. If you are new on the channel, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for the watching.